Today we are going to discuss about advertising and sales promotion. So in advertising, it is a become final subject select a special enhancement course. That is, the best advertising is done by satisfied customers. So let us move to the next. The term advertising is derived from Latin word advertare. The learning objectives here: advertising, sales promotion, marketing promotion tools. Here advertising is any paid from non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, good or service, and identified sponsor, AMA, American Marketing Association. Here advertising is to give public notice or announce publicity. Webster. Advertising has taken itself task of entrepreneuring the quality of product in terms of consumer needs and wants. Professor Strand. Next, moving to the next. The advertising objective is a specific communication task to be accomplished with a specific target audience during a specific period of time. Informative advertising aims to create brand awareness and knowledge of new products. Haveless. Persuasive advertising aims to create liking, preference, conviction, and purchase of production service. Ujala fabric whitener comparative ad. It is the advertises. Here it is Havells and it is Ujala fabric whitener. Next, moving to the reminder advertising. So aim to stimulate repeat purchase of product service. Coca-Cola, Pepsi, bike ads. These are the reminder advertising. Reinforcement advertising aim to convince current purchasers that they made the right choice. Here automobile ads. Next, moving to the specific period of time. Informative advertising, pursuing advertising, reminder advertising, reinforcement advertising. Functions of advertising. Here functions, what are the functions of advertising? Introduce the new product, lower prices, makes demarketing possible, so developing brand preferences, widening, increasing sales volumes. So here it is, moving to the process. So here the functions of advertisers. Here the 5 M's of advertising. Here mission, number 1 is mission, sales goals, advertising objectives. Next, number 2, money, factor of considers, stage in PLC, market share and consumer base, competition and clutter. Next, advertising frequency, product sustainability. Here number 3, message generation, message evaluation of selection, message execution, social responsibility review. Next, media, reach, frequency, impact, major media types, specific media vehicles, media timings, geographical media allocation. Measurements, communication impact, sales impact. Moving to the next. Developing the advertising campaign. 5 M's of advertising: mission, money, message, media, and measurement. Here, mission: what are your advertising objectives? Money: how much you can spend? Message: what message should be convey? Media: what media should we use? Next, how should we evaluate results? Moving to the next, types of advertising. Here, geographical spread: national ad, local ad, global ad. Target group: consumer ad, industrial ad, trade ad, professional ad. Next, corporate philosophy: corporate ad, brand ad, informative brand, positive brand, reminder brand, negative brand. Next, media: audio ad, visual ad, audio visual, written ad, internet ad, verbal ad. Moving to the next, classification of advertising media. Number 1, newspaper: indoor ad, outdoor ad, direct ad, promotional ad. Number 1, newspaper. Hoardings and billboards. Number 1, sales letter. Number 1, window display. Next, number 2, indoor ad TV, outdoor ad poster, direct ad cluster letter, promotional ad here, indoor ad newspaper, TV, radio, magazine. Outdoor ad hoardings, posters, electricity displays, painted displays. Direct ad sales letter, circular letter, booklet, brochures, store publications. Promotional ad window display, interior display, exhibitions, showrooms. Moving to the next, factors influence selection of media. The class of people influenced, example, farmers. The reason: classification of media will be depend upon nature of product and its market, deciding on reach, frequency, and impact. Reach and frequency are needed to achieve advertising objectives. Next, the reputation of media: print media, mass media. The cost of space: large fund TV, here it is. Message brief, billboard, mass marketing, newspaper. Extent of competition: it has to be considered competition, product, service, advertising. Timing media, example, for summer AC fits, for winter medicine and umbrella. So these are the influencer section media. Evaluating advertising effectiveness. Communication effect research: what is the main message you get from this ad? What do you think they want to know, believe, or do? How likely is it this ad will be influenced to market the action? How does the ad make you feel? What works well? The ad, what works poorly? Next, sales effect research, share of expenditure, share of voice, share of minds, hertz, share of market. Next, moving to the next. Promotional tools: advertising, sales promotion, public relations, publicity, personal selling. Sales promotion. Sales promotion, a key ingredient in marketing campaigns, consists of collection of incentive tools, mostly short-term, designed to stimulate quicker or greater purchase of particular products, services of consumers or the trade. Short-term incentives to encourage the purchase or sales of product of service. Next, moving to the next. Objective of sales promotion: to introduce a new products, to attract the new customers, to introduce present customer to buy more, to help the firm remaining competitive, to increase the sales in off season, to increase the inventories of business buyers, to develop patronage habits among the customers, to educate customers, to stimulate sales, to facilitate coordination. Major consumers and trade promotional tools. Sample: consumer tools, trade tools, price off, coupon allowances, cash refund, free goods, premium. Here, patronage reward, point of purchases, constant cheapness games, discounts. Is consumer tools, is trade tools. Next, difference advertising, sales promotion. Difference sales promotion advertising approach: both personal, impersonal approach. Nature of status: supporting role, fill the advertising and sale gaps of personal and promotion are purely impersonal efforts, independent. Achievement of goals: policies are short term, policies are long term. Means used: free samples, coupons, different medias like special prices, consistent indoor, outdoor, and direct. Efforts involved: two-way success, one side approach. Next, major decisions: establish the objectives, selecting the consumer promotional tools, selecting the trade promotion tools, selecting the business and sales force promotion tools, developing the program, evaluating the program. So these are the advertising for today.